the water to bring you. The water going to take you back.
This is the Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Our proud member of Water SC. And for me, as a person who's native to the low country, when I look out upon our waters, I see cultural legacy and history. I see traditions that must be protected by making sure that we take care of this vital resource collectively as we go out to the oceans or the estuaries. This is the journey of Water SC. So I'd like you to come down to historic St. Helena Island, to Penn Center, April the 8th at 6 p.m. to Frizzell Community House, and join me and the team from Water SC so that you can join us and give us input on how to protect this resource and our state's cultural heritage and legacy. Let's bring a brighter day to this place of beautiful places and smiling faces. On the chillin', come join me on the show of the Gullah Geechee Nation in South Kakalaki. This year, the Queen Quet.